Bosch Professional Measuring Wheel. The Bosch GDE M Professional is a robust steel measuring wheel with an automotive belt drive for demanding construction and land surveying applications. It excels due to its high stability and long life, a large wheel diameter of 389.1 millimeters, a wheel circumference of 1.22 meters, and a sturdy weight of 3.3 kilograms ensure safe application and precise measurements even on loose ground. Bosch GDE MAX Professional. The GDE MAX Professional Dust Guard is a practical and effective solution for virtually dust-free chiseling work. It enables clean and tidy work, reduces cleaning times, and improves the user's safety protection. For maximum convenience and flexibility, it can be quickly and easily adapted for various working positions, allows for changing chisels without dismounting the dust extraction unit, and is designed for use with the Bosch Click and Clean system. Its compatibility with all SDS Max hammers guarantees universal use. Bosch Hammer Drill Electronic Angle Detection Feature. The Bosch GSB 18 volts 1330C features a new electronic angle detection feature, allowing the precise installation of long screws straight on or at an angle. It can connecting the tool via the Bosch Toolbox app allows for additional customized settings, including setting custom angles. Bosch GSG 300 Professional Foam Rubber Cutter. The Bosch Foam Rubber Cutter is ideal for precise cutting of soft materials. Millimeter-accurate cutting, for example foam and rubberized horsehair, are no problem because of the exact saw blade guidance and the wide range of saw blades. Opposing saw blades ensure low noise and low vibration running. Bosch Deci LED Professional Cordless Storage. The GLI 12 volts 330 Professional is Bosch's versatile worknight with 330 lumens in the 12-volt category. It features 10 extremely bright LEDs with 2 brightness settings for perfect illumination. It also has a powerful magnet, carabiner, hook, and an adjustable angle of up to 200 degrees for flexible and fast setup in any environment. This work light is perfect for lighting up small areas and has a 1.4-inch tripod thread. Bosch 18-volt Compact Jobsite Radio. It is a portable and flexible cordless Jobsite radio featuring Bluetooth 5.0 technology. High-performance speakers featuring enhanced bass response deliver outstanding sound clarity and quality. Users can listen to their favorite music streaming services, including Pandora, Spotify, and Apple Music, or stored songs via their mobile device. An aux-in connection is included from 3 players or portable satellite receivers. Bosch Fresh Up, an innovative fabric refresher. Fresh Up is the first effective, portable device against unpleasant odors on fabrics without adding chemicals. It also removes bacteria and viruses. Slip it in your backpack or handbag to dissolve odor molecules anytime, anywhere. Lay the item on a soft, flat surface, or simply treat the clothes you're wearing. Just make sure the fabric is dry and touches both silver stripes on the Fresh Up sides. Bosch Wireless Charging Car Holster. Tap into the confidence and flexibility of Bosch wireless charging. Create your optimal charging setup in between tasks, where you store it, or even as you drive between jobs. The holster is compatible with Bosch 18V drills and drivers, hammer drills and drivers, and impact drivers for maximum flexibility. The durable construction is perfect for the rough and tumble vehicle storage environment, and the multiple mounting options vertically or horizontally against a side wall or on a shelf offer maximum flexibility. This wireless charging holster from Bosch makes sure tools are already charged when you arrive at the job site, with its robust construction that has no contacts and is durable against dust and water. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.